I remember when we first started dating, or sometimes we used to drive back home. You used to always be shitting yourself, and you used to stop by the Walmart right there.
Where you at? Dang, you brought down every game we have. Chinese checkers is so much fun. Can we just take it home just cause?
Yeah.
This is a great game. I love Chinese checkers.
Candyland, yo.
Shoots a ladder.
Yo, guess who? Y'all had all these.
Really, I'm starving though.
Looking at you? I'm supposed to be looking at you?
Houston? Yeah. They are high
But this
caliber.
is interesting.
They are
Shove it in your mouth.
really good team. They move the ball and they shoot. Wait, you were one of them kids?
She don't even get up to this thing.
I just like the colors. There's a lot of colors.
Wait, so you just started?
All the colors. I made like a tower, and I brought it back because she was pissed. I had to eat it all before we left.
How much was it though?
It was a lot of Jello. My God.
Really?
I was like,
Yeah, because you gotta sit there and just like,
I told her, I always told her, never take more food than she can eat.
yeah.
we're on like the longest line ever for the car wash.
No, but we're moving.
That's ridiculous.
It's not.
We-
I want a basic full wash.
Basic full wash.
Yeah.
Let me hit the, ¿cómo se dice? Basic.
These are white people.
El basic full. Oh, it's white people? Oh, alright, roles flipped, okay. Sorry, I mean like Sam's car.
It needs
anything
a
is
drop
something.
of water.
No. Like, yo, what you getting mad for? They clean your car, don't get mad.
Your car's dirty.
Yeah. Your friend says she found some stuff back there, so we don't even want to say it on camera, bro. Your bumper might come off, Sam. That's the only thing I've been thinking about since we got stuck in here. Like, damn, like, what if I can't go
What do we do
back?
if that happens?
How would it fall off?
Because it's very loose.
It's not that loose.
Huh?
No,
It's
I'm
not
sure
that
you've gone over stuff in it.
I've gone over all these potholes in Philly.
Dude, that's different when you got that thing slapping it 18,000 times. They actually brought your car back to life. You know how
The car is beautiful. It was a great idea to come to this car wash. You're welcome. No subscribers.
So, let's get into the.
Oh, you subscribe?
Yes. You don't have a video.
Yes, I do. Look at me right there.
This is her video.
She's like moving.
I am.
Hater.